We are looking at how to pronounce these words, as well as how to say more interesting, related and often mispronounced words as well. So make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning. So how do the pronunciations of these words differ? Well, they don't. Those are homophones, meaning they are to be said exactly the same way. But how? In British English, those are usually said as whether, whether. You do want to stress on the first syllable. In American English, however, they are usually pronounced as whether, whether. So, whether in British English or weather. Weather being the climatic conditions, and weather is as in whether or not to do something, for example, whether or weather. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting words, homophones or not, whose pronunciations aren't always obvious in English. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.